Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and functional Moen Chrome DN8422CH Preston 24-inch bathroom double towel bar. This elegant piece coordinates seamlessly with other accessories in the Preston collection, making it a perfect addition to your bathroom decor. Designed with convenience in mind, it comes with mounting hardware and a guided template for quick and easy installation. The double towel rack features a simple yet effective two-bar design, offering ample space for your towels while maintaining a compact footprint. Crafted with a stamped steel mounting bracket, this towel bar is built for enhanced durability, ensuring it stands the test of time. Its mirror-like chrome finish not only adds a touch of sophistication but also complements any modern bathroom aesthetic. Upgrade your bathroom experience with the Moen Preston Double Towel Bar, where style meets practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.